Welcome back to another cool video. For this video, I was again inspired by the TV show Vikings. In this video in particular, by Ragnar's close friend, the eccentric trickster, Floki the Boatbuilder. With every makeup, I start with a clean face. I add concealer and foundation, powder it off, and then I add some bronzer and rouge. With black Kajal from Kiko Milano, I start to sketch around my eyes. I also put some Kajal on my waterline. With a small brush without any product on it, I smudge the Kajal around my eyes. I add a little highlighter under my natural brows and on my inner corner. On my moving eyelid, I add the eyeshadow Blackout by Urban Decay. This sets the Kajal on my skin and this creates a contrast within the eye makeup. For a beautiful color transition between my highlighter and the Blackout on my moving eyelid, I use the eyeshadow Commando. I can finally start with the lines in my makeup that Floki is well known of. I sketched them with the black Kajal. Once the lines are drawn, I set them with the black eyeshadow. I use a stipple sponge to add a little texture to the makeup. I was not so fond of the result, but it looks okay and it's not ruined. For my lashes, I use Cannonball by Urban Decay. Fake eyelashes by Samantha for a dramatic look, and a little lip gloss by Kiko. With the stipple sponge and black Aquacolor, I make this look dirtier. I pick random spots and dab the sponge on my skin. Another prominent aspect in Floki's makeup are the lines by his ears. I use black Aquacolor, a brush, and also my fingers. It's a dirty version, so I smudge the lines. Now it's time to add blood. This is my favorite part. This blood by Mouldlife is perfect for this job. I also use a brush to create a blood spatter. I keep the brush close to my face since I don't want to get it all over the wall. Thank you for watching another fun creation. If you would like to see more and help my channel grow, you can do so by liking and leaving a comment. And of course by subscribing to my channel. Until next time, stay awesome.